To make this top into sleeveless one, I took another sleeveless top for the armhole reference because generally armholes are a bit bigger in sleeveless tops. It was a bit difficult to cut through because of the scissor and the fabric, but I managed it in the end. To hem the raw fabric edges, I folded in 1/4 inch and folded in again so the edges are concealed. Now came the tough part. I hand stitched the hem with an invisible stitch. It essentially means that you take a small pinch of your front facing fabric and make a stitch at the back to secure it. I did a bit of a shoddy job here. See how it's almost invisible in the front? Next, I had a few cute patches of cherries and grapes, so thought of adding them to jazz up this top. After deciding the placement, I put the cardboard in between and ironed the patches in place. The glue on them melts with the heat and that helps them to stick on the fabric, though I had to go over with fabric glue in some areas. And just like that, now I have a new cute top. Now let's do the sleeves that I cut off. With the first one, I cut the puffy side of the sleeve, keeping a 1/2 inch leeway. To hem those raw fabric edges, I double folded it inside and then stitched it with an invisible hem stitch. That's all I had to do to make a scrunchie out of the sleeve. I cut the other sleeve in the same way as before, then drew a circular base on the remaining fabric of the sleeve with again a 1/2 inch leeway. Now it was time to attach these two parts with a back stitch to form the body of the purse. It looked something like this. I also cut out a circular piece of cardboard of the same dimension to make the base more sturdy. I took two 1-inch overlock hems to make loops on the sides to attach the sling of the bag. Also added 2 press buttons at the opening. Finally, I attached the sling and there you go, a mini sling bag that's on point and on trend.